In this video, we're going to talk about how to delete a saved search in Zillow. So first, go to Zillow.com here. And if you have an account, you can kind of log in right here. And we could do this a few ways. You could go to Save Searches. And this one here, I had just created a random city as a saved search. Here is an existing saved search. And a way to get rid of it, and just to explain what they are first, is if we go back here to Save Searches, there's a few ways to do it. If you have one saved already, you could just hit the delete button here and you're done. So again, go to the kind of my account, save searches, and your saved searches will pop up here and you can delete. Another way to do it is maybe you want to keep it. Let's pretend it's actually active, but you want maybe just a daily feed versus an instant feed. You kind of get creative there on when Zillow sends you an update on your saved search if you want to receive emails. Now, if you don't, you kind of hit off and I will turn it off. And if you want to really permanently delete the search, just hit delete here too as well and just delete. And you see it's gone. Hopefully this video is helpful. I got a lot of other Zillow quick tips for you on our channel, so feel free to search the channel on what you're looking for, and we should have a video there for you. If not, let us know in the comments below. Happy to make a video that you think will be beneficial for you.